This is a Durficst STO6, that's a model number, GFCI Outlet tester here. And on the back of it has some information. It's made in China here. So we'll take a look at this. Off Amazon for $29 Canadian. And see what we get here. A couple AAA batteries included here. And pull everything out. This is a tight fit there. Oh. Screwdriver. The actual GFCI outlet tester and the manual. Sealed in a plastic bag here. Even the prongs have got a plastic over them. This comes off, protector. So we'll use that after protect the. This comes with the Phillips #1 screwdriver. Going to take the back off here and install the two AAA batteries that come free with it. A little compartment here. Put the two AAA batteries in here, and just put the plate back on the back. Plate back on here, and tighten it back up here, and we're ready to go. This little Durficst STO6 GFCI outlet tester has some nice features there. So it has a hold feature, so you can plug it into your outlet here. And that'll hold that reading for about 15 seconds here. So you see the hold written up here. So you can read your whatever it is you're plugged into. If your outlet was plugged upside down, you have to pull it out. Then you can actually read it here. The other feature it has a GFCI. So you can check your outlets, see how quickly it'll test it, how quickly it'll trip it. Has a nice feature where after 3 minutes, it'll automatically shut off, save you some battery power. Once your batteries go low, you'll have a little icon here showing that your battery's low. It's time to change them. Just the prop is wired correctly here. We'll plug it in, and you'll see that it's wired correctly. 121 volts here, correctly wired, and the green light on. So we're going to change the scenario. We'll change different scenarios here to show you with this tester. I'll tell you about your wiring here. So the second one on the list is open neutral. So we've got the black wire on the gold screw, the live wire on the gold screw. You've got the ground wire on the ground screw here. And then we're going to take the neutral off the silver screw and just use this Avago connector to isolate it here. So now we got the neutral wire isolated, not on the receptacle. Put it back together and we'll check out what it says on our GFCI outlet tester. In this scenario, we have the open neutral, or we isolated the neutral wire, and we'll plug this in, see what we get here. And we got open neutral here and red light here. So open neutral, red light here. And it shows greater than 30 volts here, but there's no neutral connected here. In this scenario, we remove the ground. So we got the live wire on the gold screw, get the neutral wire on the silver screw, remove the wire from the terminal on the ground wire here, and we'll just isolate it to ground wire. With our Avago connector, put this back together, and you got an open ground. Scenario, we have an open ground, we got the ground disconnected, and we've got the live wire and the neutral wire connected. Shows open ground here. Open ground, red light here. In this one, you've got the neutral wire on the gold screw and the live wire on the silver screw, so the live and neutral are reversed. Scenario, we had the neutral wire on the gold screw and the live wire on the silver screw, so we got hot, neutral, reverse. So we'll plug it in here, and that's where we get hot, neutral, reversed here, red light. Scenario, we have the neutral wire connected to the silver screw, the ground wire connected. We're going to remove the live wire, so it'll be open, hot, and we'll use this Avago connector to isolate it here. Put it back together, and we'll see what we get. In this one, we have the live wire disconnected and just the neutral wire and the ground wire connected. Plug it in, see what we get here. We get open, hot here. No power, no voltage. Now this is the last one, open, ground, neutral. So ground wire and neutral wire are open, not connected. Of all the testers I've used, I've never seen this scenario where the ground wire and the neutral wire are open or not connected. So we're going to do that. This is you've got the power going to here, and we remove the neutral wire, remove the ground wire, use our Vago connectors here to isolate the neutral wire and the ground wire. So the neutral's not connected and the ground's not connected. And we're going to see what we're going to get here. Put that together. So no neutral, no ground, just power. The Durficst is the only one that checks with this ground wire and neutral wire are open. So no ground wire, no neutral wire. That's the only tester of all these that tests for that. So on this, we get just the live wire connected on here. The neutral and the ground wire is not connected. So we'll put our tester in here, see what we get here. And sure enough, we got open, ground, neutral. And then greater than 30 volts here and a red light. Check this one. They're all reviewed. I'll leave the links for all of them. Doesn't show nothing. The Kuwait's, it's confused. It shows that it's the live wire and the earth wire of the ground wire is reversed, and it's not red wire, red light. Check the Klein. The Klein picks it up. Open ground, neutral. Open ground, neutral. Greater than 30 volts. And you get the red light. This one, they don't even have it on this pattern here. It's not even on there, so it won't pick up anything up here. The only other one to pick up the open ground, open neutral was the Klein tools. So in defense of the other three here, they didn't say in their programming that it would pick up that error. This is wired mold, and all the wires are connected, including the ground wire and this outlet here. When you plug this tester in here, this is a basic tester, it's going to tell you open ground. So it's finding an open ground, meaning there's no ground wire coming from the old part of the house, from the attic here, and there's no ground wire coming from the panel. Now you plug this tester and it's going to actually show you there's no connection on the ground wire. You see there's no connection on the ground wire. There actually is a connection, but it's telling you that the circuit has no ground wire. So you have to pull this one out. You lose your reading here. So to get your reading, you have to plug it back in, hit the little button here, and put it on hold. Then when you pull it out, it'll hold the reading for you. So it shows you the voltage, and it says the open ground, and there's no wire connected, although the wire is connected in the outlet. The Durficst one has the reading. It holds that reading for about 15 seconds, so you don't have to press any buttons here. So open ground, it shows you the voltage here and red light here. So that'll hold that for 15 seconds and hold that feature for 15 seconds so you can read it. So we got a GFCI outlet here. I'm going to test it out here. So it shows it's correctly wired here. You hit the test button here, just hit that test button. It'll test this outlet. And it tells you to 0.09 here. And it's going to hold that reading for about 20 seconds here. And it'll show that there's no power here. There, it shows no power. Reset it. And it shows its power back on here. Before we sum up this video here, just please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, it helps grow my channel. And ring that bell to be notified next time I upload a video. I'll be doing this Klein tools in the next video here. 5-1 non-metallic cable multi-tool here. So stay tuned for that. This is the battery operated Durficst model number ST06 GFCI outlet tester. Here's some nice features. After 3 minutes, it automatically shut down for you, save you some battery life. Has a GFCI tester on it. Has a hold feature, so when you plug it upside down here and you plug it in here, it's a green light here, and you flip it around, it holds that reading for 20 seconds so you can get the reading, whatever outlet you're testing out here. Another nice feature, it has the only one in the test procedures for open ground, open neutral. Comes with a very nice manual here. Tells you all the different scenarios here and all the different scenarios you can go through here. Comes with a little connector, protect your. Comes with 2 AAA batteries and even a screwdriver to put the batteries in. So I would recommend this outlet tester. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. Have a great one, people.